Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things tech. Today, we're going to take a look at 10 emerging technologies that are going to change our world as we know it. From the latest advancements in artificial intelligence to breakthroughs in renewable energy, these technologies are set to revolutionize the way we live and work. Artificial intelligence AI is not a new concept, but recent developments in machine learning and deep learning have brought about incredible advancements in this field. From autonomous vehicles to personalized healthcare, AI is set to transform every aspect of our lives. Augmented reality. Augmented reality, or AR, is a technology that overlays digital information onto the real world. With AR, you can see digital images and information superimposed on your surroundings, opening up a world of new possibilities for gaming, education, and more. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a field that deals with the principles of quantum mechanics to perform complex calculations that traditional computers are incapable of, with the potential to solve problems that are currently unsolvable. Quantum computing is set to revolutionize industries ranging from finance to healthcare. 5G networks. 5G is the next generation of wireless technology, promising faster download and upload speeds, reduced latency, and the ability to connect more devices to the internet. With the ability to transfer data at speeds up to 20 times faster than 4G, 5G networks will enable new technologies such as self-driving cars and smart cities. Blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that enables secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. It has the potential to disrupt industries such as finance, healthcare, and supply chain management by eliminating intermediaries and reducing costs. Renewable energy. With climate change being one of the most pressing issues of our time, renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower are becoming increasingly important. With advancements in technology, these sources of energy are becoming more efficient and cost-effective, making them a viable alternative to fossil fuels. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a network of interconnected devices that can communicate with each other and exchange data. With IoT, everything from your car to your refrigerator can be connected to the internet, enabling new levels of automation and convenience. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a field that uses living organisms and their derivatives to develop new products and services. From genetically modified crops to personalized medicine, biotechnology has the potential to solve some of the biggest challenges facing our world today. Advanced robotics. Advancements in robotics technology are enabling machines to perform increasingly complex tasks. From manufacturing to healthcare, robots are being developed that can work alongside humans, increasing efficiency and productivity. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a field that deals with materials and devices on a nanoscale, or 1/1,000,000th of a meter. With the ability to manipulate matter at the atomic and molecular level, nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize fields ranging from medicine to electronics. So there you have it, 10 emerging technologies that are set to change our world as we know it. These technologies will impact every aspect of our lives, from how we work and communicate to how we take care of our health and the environment. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching.